Hello everyone, welcome back to another lesson on Lanika's Corner where learning continues. As you can see from the title of this video, we'll be learning about the area of irregular shapes. Before we get into this lesson, please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and do not forget to turn on your notification bells so that you can be notified whenever we upload a new video. So we have this irregular shape right here, and we're asked to find the area. So the first thing that we should do when finding the area of an irregular shape is to divide the shape into shapes that we know. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that real quick. There we go. I have divided my irregular shape into two rectangles and a triangle. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and label each of my shape. So I'm going to call this R1, which is rectangle 1. I'm going to call this R2. And of course, this is our triangle T. Okay, so what we can now do is we can go ahead and find the area of rectangle 1 because we can see that we know the length, which is 8 centimeter, and the width, which is 3 centimeters. So area of R1 is equal to length multiplied by its width. And of course, our length is 8 centimeter, and that is multiplied by our width, which is 3 centimeters. 3 times 8, that's 24. So our area of rectangle 1 is 24 centimeters squared. So that's 24 centimeters squared. Okay, now we're finished with rectangle 1. Let's go to rectangle 2. So right away, we can see that we know the width of rectangle 2, which is 3 centimeters. We need to go ahead and find the length. So if the entire section here, from here to here, is 8 centimeters. So the entire section here, from here to here, is 8 centimeters because we can see it in rectangle 1 here. What we are going to do is we just need to go ahead and subtract 4 from 8 in order to get the section right here, this green section right here for rectangle number 2. And that would be, of course, 4 centimeters. Okay, so now that we have the length and the width of rectangle number 2, we can go ahead and repeat the same process. So the area of a rectangle is length times width. So that's 3 times 4. And 3 times 4, that's 12. So the area for R2 would be 12 centimeter squared. So this is R1 and this is R2. Okay, so now that we have the area for R1 and R2, we can now go ahead and find the area of the triangle section. We notice that we do not know the measurements of our triangle, but no need to worry, we can find it. So if the entire section down here is 9 centimeter, and we have here is 3 and here is 3 centimeter, we can add 3 and 3, that's 6, and we subtract 6 from 9, we're left with 3. So right away, our base of our triangle would be 3 centimeters. And we can see that the height of our triangle would be parallel to the height of our rectangle, which is 4 centimeters. So of course, our height would also be 4 centimeters. So we can go ahead and find the area of our triangle, and that's half base times height. Our base is 3 centimeters, so we have half times 3 times our height, which is 4 centimeters. So that's equal to half multiplied by 3 times 4, that's 12. So that's a half times 12. And of course, a half times 12 is equal to 6. So that's 6 centimeter cube squared. And we're not finished. What we're going to do now is we're going to add the area of rectangle 1 plus the area of rectangle 2 plus the area of our triangle. So that would be 24 plus 12 plus 6. 24 plus 12 plus 6, that's 42. Therefore, the area for our irregular shape will be 42 centimeters squared.